day 2 of cycling 1,000 kilometers around Taiwan. Ah! Ow! 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 We're riding these bikes around the entire island of Taiwan. It's currently day 2, and so far we've ridden 75 kilometers from Taipei City to Hsinchu City. To our surprise, cycling 75 kilometers wasn't too much of a challenge. So today we have 2 options. Option 1, we ride 62 kilometers to the town of Sanyi. Or option 2, we push ourselves to ride 110 kilometers to Taichung City. But today's first challenge is dealing with our sore bottoms. Oh god, it hurts so bad. How does it hurt that much?
But first we gotta get out of the city. Because as you can tell, it's very loud here.
We're starting today in the city of Hsinchu, where last night we had some incredible dumplings, like absolutely amazing. This morning we had a great breakfast at our hotel. Got fueled up for this 65-kilometer ride from Hsinchu to Sanyi. We haven't booked any accommodation for tonight because it's currently 9 a.m. and we're riding 65 kilometers today, which is a lot less than what we did yesterday. So depending how we feel once we get to Sanyi, we potentially might continue on to Taichung City, where the accommodation is much cheaper.
Look at that! It's our first time seeing the ocean. In 10 days we've been in Taipei in Taiwan. First time seeing it. Almost 8 kilometers on main roads.
We're in a bike lane, which is very exciting. We have the next 15 kilometers on this bikeway, which will be really nice. We'll see how we go. I kind of secretly want to make it to Taichung today. And also, the further I ride, the more food I can eat.
Yep. What a difference of scenery already.
Ooh, so enchanting. We've just come into this shaded area, which is lovely. And it's so like twisted vines and bamboo and really pretty. This is so nice.
That was something, huh? We've done 36.5k. So that app we use, Komoot, has suggested stop along the way, and one just came up. Wow, what a beautiful statue. Here's a step.
My legs don't work.
It literally says watch the steps. Oh, such a huge, strong smell of incense.
Look at those orchids. I'm gonna take a picture for my mom.
Oh my god. This temple is amazing.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. So this is the goddess Mazu. And she's actually the goddess of the sea, which is fitting because the ocean's right there and we're on the coast right now. And she's worshipped in like Taiwan, China, Hong Kong, Macau, places like that. So that's pretty cool.
looking for a place to eat. Stumbled upon a beautiful street. Might be food here as well.
Ooh, we've made it to a town after I think like 40-ish kilometers. But we are starving, ready for some food. Let's see what we can find. I don't know if we want to do a quick... Ooh.
Ni hao. Oh yeah. Hello. Oh yes.
Let me translate and see what it is.
Can I have one?
Okay.
It's probably just an appetizer, but we've tried without one of each of the small ones.
So these are 50 Taiwanese dollars each. I have no idea what they are, but they've got some weight to them actually.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Wheat. Looking good though.
That's taro. This is red bean paste. Yum. Some sort of floss in there.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
这还很热热的，要小心。
Okay.
Thank you, shit. Oh, you brought us some tea.
Actually, it's perfect because this is a bit dry. Because this one has an egg yolk inside.
Look, how cute is this? That is so funny. I want to keep this bag. I want to opt in for a clean one just because it's so adorable. This one is a duck head. You can just buy the head or the feet. So we made our way to the temple, which is, I'm assuming why there's so many people here. But there's a 7-Eleven just here, so I think we're going to go get a drink from there.
Traveling with your own cup is such a game changer. Obviously not the best lunch, but burn all those calories when you're riding, so.
Much needed coffee break before we hit the road again. This area is actually a really good place to stop because there's so much going on. Like we can like people watch and get distracted. But we still have like another 60 kilometers to go today and we've done 42 so far.
We have done 50k and we have just under 50k, so a little bit over halfway. It's a hard day, but the road is pleasant. The tailwind is helping hugely and it's amazing roads. So it's just about cruising, listening to music, and just enjoying the ride. Ooh, 7-Eleven. 70 kilometers done, 33 to go.
Oh, and there's like other little food stores and everything here. Look at this. How cool is that? So many drink options, but I have no idea what any of them are. Do you want a hot dog?
Maybe I want a hot dog. Decision has been made.
Booking.
We're going all the way to Taichung.
34 kilometers. But we found a hotel that's normally 63 Australian dollars a night for $25. Alright, well, 2 hours, let's go. Woo! Let's go!
Go!
Pedal to the metal, baby!
Metal.
That's right! We're just out here exploring Taiwan and loving it! Loving every single second! Gotta keep that energy high! My little snacky snack gave me some energy! We are very much in the city right now. Proper traffic. And it's crazy because the last 4 kilometers have taken us as long as what the previous like 12 kilometers took. Because there's so many traffic lights and twisting roads. Oh my gosh. You're gonna be glad to get there. I was feeling so good. Oh no. I'm just want to be done. Seriously, roller coaster of emotions.
Yeah, we have 9.5k left. It's now 4:30. I was hoping we'd make it there by 5, but no way, Jose. You okay? The road that's taking us is up there. Quite uphill it is. It's gonna be a oh. Ah. We didn't make it far. Ah, holy moly, this is steep. I've never made that.
This final 10 kilometers is like the worst thing ever.
Is this our failure of the day? Ah. Oh. Ooh, legs are stiff.
Oh my god. This day, just an absolute roller coaster. Oh my god. I just don't have the energy for this. I mean, I do have the energy for it. I'm gonna do it. That's so funny how we do that. We tell ourselves that we can't do it when we know that we can, and we're doing it. Like, as we're doing it, we're like, oh, I can't do it, but I'm doing it. We're doing it, Max. Come on, slowpoke. All right, we're getting there. Ah.
Come on, snowball.
Oh my god, this is so hard. Ah.
This point right here,
Yeah.
means that we're at the top.
Oh my god.
It's a nice old downhill.
Well done.
Downhill! Woo! Wow, look at that! Whoa!
Oh my god.
What?
Now that is a city.
That is a proper city.
That is insane. Vamos. Woo! It's like terrifying and also adrenaline all at the same time. Scary, but also kind of fun. Oh my god, I have no idea how fast I'm going, but it is really fast. I'm like a daredevil.
Yeah, this is...
Oh my god, I was going so fast, like 30 kilometers an hour for sure on a bicycle. So we went the wrong way.
要不要走了？要不要走了？
Oh my god, please don't hit me, please don't hit me, please don't hit me. Ah! It's telling me we're going the wrong way.
Yeah, I think it was...
Okay, so let's do a U-turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's very confusing. Okay, so what happened is Max copied the address from booking.com into the Komoot app, but it took us to a different place, and then when we search the hotel in Google Maps, something comes up under a different name, and then when we search the address in Google Maps, it like changes the address. So we're hoping we're heading back towards the hotel. Fingers crossed.
Lucky it's just 3 kilometers.
It's just 3 kilometers, but it's in like peak hour traffic at nighttime.
Yeah.
I have no idea. It's freaking out.
It's okay?
I don't know. Not
Mine's
really.
good.
Yours is good?
Yeah. Well, this place is like in the middle of nowhere. How do we get into this hotel? Hello? Yeah, do it. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Traveling. It's always an adventure. This is so funny. We are checking in and so we have to pay for our room. So there's a mailbox here for us to put the money in. They're literally watching us on the camera to direct us and get us through to check-in because there's no one actually here.
It is 6 p.m. Definitely didn't make our 5 p.m. But we are beat. We're probably gonna order some takeaway, have a good shower, and call it a day.
But before Max goes on his little tangent, can we just celebrate the fact that we rode over 100 kilometers today?
Over 100.
Absolutely wrecked now, but it's still really cool to know that we're able to do that and that we can ride. This is our little room. Everything you would need. I think a hot shower. I think we're probably gonna get some food delivered and that'll be it, KO'd. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. We have tomorrow, I think we'll be exploring Taichung on foot, not on the bikes, and just checking out what there is to do in the city. So we hope you enjoyed this one and we'll see you in the next one.